What's going on, guys? So I installed a winch on my 2020 Honda Rancher. Picked this up at Harbor Freight. It's the Badland ZXR 2500 winch. It was about 89 bucks. It comes with the winch, this little extra hook, which you can use for other things to pull. You don't need that for the winch. And this Fairlead, which didn't fit, it didn't line up with the holes on the Honda Rancher. You need the bigger one. So I ordered the bigger one. I think it's like 4 3/4 inch from hole to hole for like 15 bucks on eBay. So that would line up to these holes here. That's built into the Rancher there. Actually, not the Rancher, the mounting plate that I put in there. And the mounting plate, you got to have a mounting plate for this, for the Rancher. And I got this KFI mounting bracket plate. Worked pretty good, pretty simple. And it says it's from the 2014 to, well, mine's the 2020. So not sure about the 2021. But yeah, but that bracket is pretty simple. Like I said, it comes with everything, the hook, this little the red strap there that says Badlands. It fits in there pretty good. You might have to cut a little bit out here. I was going to cut it, but I didn't yet. It's just kind of flexing a little bit. If you just cut a little part out right there, it probably would fit absolutely perfect. As far as the wiring, it was from right there where I put that box, mounted that box right there, and then these two wires go to the winch, and these go back to the battery. And it was actually the perfect fit back to the battery from this spot. It's really tight, but it fit. I just zip tied it up through there. This is for if you want to use that came with it also. Let me show you guys. Leaving some things out here. Yeah, it comes with the wired like remote thing, so you can plug it in and just do it by wire. You just plug this in right there if you want to do it that way. And it also comes with, this is what I've been using, the wireless remote thing. It's pretty cool, pretty simple. So that's what I've been using. And like I said, your Fairlead ain't gonna fit with this KFI mount. That's made for, like I said, the 4 3/4 inch. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let me check my eBay purchases to make sure that's what it was. Yeah, so here's the Fairlead I bought, $15.75, and it fits perfect on that KFI. Yeah, it's 4 7/8 inch bolt pattern, 4 7/8. So yeah, pretty solid Fairlead for the price. Yeah, so you need that, because like I said, this little one don't fit. That comes with the Badlands winch. Okay, I'll give you a little test. If you want to pull it out without using the wireless key fob thing, I mean, you can extend it by pressing the button and just do it by the motor, which is really slow, or you can grab this, pull out and turn. Now it can be pulled out by hand wherever you're going to go. I'm just going to pull my little ATV here, my little towel. You know what? I'm just going to attach it. Just going to attach it right here. Heck with it. Yeah. There we go. So, you don't really need it started. I mean, you can use the battery to pull it, but I'm going to start it up anyway. So you just hold this on-off button for a few seconds till that blue light up there comes on. There it is. And you got to make sure once you pull it out, the wire out, to relock this back in, or it's not gonna pull it in. There, see, it's locked in now. All right, let's retract. I can see it pulls pretty slow, which is normal. So, pretty cool. I haven't really used it for nothing super heavy yet. Like I said, it's supposed to pull 2,500 pounds according to the manual, but I don't think I'm going to attempt to pull that much. That's for sure. Anyway, thought I'd show you guys that winch we installed on the Rancher. Me and my daughter. She was excited to get it, but pretty sweet. So, all right, guys. So, thought I'd show you that new install and talk to you guys later. See ya.